Students, let's look at this question here, which is on sketching of the log curve and also solving, I think. So sketch a graph of this, show clearly the asymptote and given the coordinates of axis were applicable. Okay, great. So the first thing is to understand that ln you cannot be equals to 0 because this is undefined. This is actually x bigger than so when we say y is equals to ln x, we will always say that x is bigger than 0. This x is bigger than 0. So in other words, this is x minus 1 bigger than 0. So x is actually bigger than 1. The vertical asymptote in this case here is actually 1. So I'm going to draw it out. X equals to 1. The graph, it looks something like that. Okay, so this is x equals to 1. Okay, so that's 1. Now, if you draw... Okay, I'm just going to draw a side note here. So note y equals to ln x. It looks like that. Okay, so about y equals to minus ln x, it will just be, you flip it upside down. Okay, so this case here, same thing, because it's a negative ln x there. So I'm going to flip it like that. So this will be my graph here. The negative one, you just need to flip upside down. Then this is 0, x. So now this is y equal to ln x. So just note of these two graphs here. So once done, I need to find this value here. So when y equals to 0, 2 equals to 3 ln x minus 1, 2 third equals to ln x minus 1, and x minus 1 equals to e 2 over 3, x equals to 1 plus e 2 third. This case here, we'll get this 1 plus e 2 power 3, 1 plus e to the power 2 over 3, common 0. So done with the first part. What we're going to do is actually this b. In order to solve this equation with this graph here, a graph suitable line is drawn in the same side of the axis of this. Find the equation of this line. Okay, great. Oh, I think it should be okay because we need to force an equation out from here. Do you see that there's a ln x minus 1 involved? So I'm going to just solve the equation by manipulating the equation. E x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 equals to x. We just need to find the equation of the line. So ex plus 1 over 3 equals to x minus 1. Bring the 1 over. Then I will ln both sides, right? Because there's a ln minus 3x there. So ln both sides will give us ln x minus 1. And bring the x plus 1 down. Ln e is 1. So this is okay. Then ln e is 1. Just note that. Okay, then multiply by 3. X plus 1 equals to 3 ln x minus 1. Okay, great. Then now what we need is negative 3, 2 minus 3x. So we need it to be, so I'm going to multiply negative 1 first, negative 1, so that I'll get negative 3. Is this not the only way to do it? Well, of course, 3 ln x minus 1. Then I'm going to just add by 2. Okay, and add a 2 there in front. Maybe add a 2. Minus x plus 1 equals to 2 minus. So this is my y1, the curve. This is my y2. This is the equation of the line that we're looking for. So equation of this line y equals to minus x plus 1. Okay, so that's how you do this question in proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know and I'll see you in the next question.